Want to slide that hook, that worm on the hook as much as I can, and take advantage of those little barbs on the bait holder hook. So it looks like that. And the reel I'm using, this is a lose reel, little spinning reel, and then a light rod. I have a 9-foot rod that I'm using right here for surf fishing. So I'm just going to walk down a little bit, not going to go too far in. I've only been fishing on my ankles up to my knees. Make a little cast. Again, I'm fishing really light line, only 8-pound test line. I see lots of people when they go surf fishing, they're using 30-pound test line, 15-foot rods with 4-ounce sinkers, casting it way out there, and they usually use baits like squid. If you do that, all you're going to catch is sand sharks and bat rays. Tide's coming up. So I'm using this lighter line, lighter outfit, so when I catch these little barred perch, they're fun to pull on. And again, I'm not trying to cast super far. I'm not trying to go to the end of the pier or anything. I just want to get in this white water where all the fish are hanging out and all these perch. So I just wind down a little bit, let the waves and Mother Nature do all its stuff, bring my line in closer to shore. And as that does that, I'm just going to wind in the slack. Just a beautiful evening here in Rosarito. I'm getting bit again. You can watch my rod tip. It's just bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. That bounce on the rod tip's a fish. There we go. Just let him bite it really good. He took all of it. Just a beautiful way to spend an afternoon down here in beautiful Mexico, in Rosarito and Baja. Catching a bunch of these. I don't know, this is like my 9th or 10th one already. Only been fishing about an hour.